welcome to Fidget Frenzy. Today I'm gonna be
There you go.
Today I'm gonna be playing with Fluffy Sand Slime, and it has my name on it. But
This is really good slime, guys. You know,
okay,
this slime,
that's my little sister in the background. But there is sorry about that. A little tower. What is this? What are they called? Yeah, castles. And bricks. So I'm gonna take it out. If you like slime that is not sticky, and you also like sand, then you would probably like this. It's like not too sandy, and it's also not too slimy or sticky, but I really like it.
Guys, I'm really going
It feels
to make
really
one.
fluffy. London, be quiet.
I'm making a big one too.
Well, I'm making a real one.
Wait till she's done and then we'll have you make one.
Well, I'm
Okay,
gonna make
so-
one then.
Here's some more.
Yeah, you can when she's done. I'll get you. Okay?
Okay, sit with me.
Watch this, guys.
Wait till she's done. Yeah, we had a time getting hers out too.
Oh, this is so hard getting it out.
Maybe I should put it in something else.
Mimi's in the background.
Wonder if you get those in different colors.
Maybe
That'd be cool.
that would be cool. I would like purple one.
Purple.
Guys, this is
Okay, I think, yep, I got it all out now. So, I'm gonna attempt to make a sandman. Technically a snowman just made out of sand. How about I make a face? I could make a face.
I could make a face of balls. Well, is it for falling?
Now, just make the eyeballs.
It's so sexy, guys. And comment below.
I think I can only make a snowman, guys. What should I make? I could make a castle. A giant castle. What about that? Or I could make, yeah, let's just make a giant castle. So we're gonna need some sand for the castle part, and then some sand for the bottom part.
Did I ask you not to open it?
It's this a little bit.
Let's use
And
the
it's
bricks.
not Mimi!
You want to try something, okay?
Oh yeah, you want to try some?
This my little sister and my Mimi in the background, because we're at my Mimi's house today. Here's one brick. You don't normally see me post videos here, but sometimes I'm going to be posting slime videos here instead of my aunt's house, but I will still post them at aunt's house. I'll post them here and at my aunt's house. So let's get some more.
Let me get my water.
Actually, maybe the castle might take too long. How about I make some bread since it looks like bread dough. Oh, and I could use this rubber band and this. I feel like I could make something fun with that. So, gonna try. And now I'm gonna make some bread dough. So I'm just gonna smoosh it out. Smoosh, smoosh, smoosh. Ooh.
Walk right in there without no water. Martina.
That was also my Mimi. She's pretty loud.
Watch your mouth.
That was also my Mimi. She keeps talking really loud. Smooth bread dough. Like a criminal undercover.
And that's my little sister's favorite song.
That's my little sister's favorite song. It's not her favorite.
What's up with my girls? What you doing?
Papa, did you know I'm making a
Making a
YouTube
face.
video and you're inside of it? You just talked in it.
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Watch this, Mimi. Watch this. Like a criminal undercover.
I prefer this to that.
This video is not sponsored. Unless you guys want it to be sponsored. I don't know.
Get it here.
Probably not sponsored.
One for some human. Oh, there it is. Smooth like butter. Like a criminal undercover. Can you get your phone? Can you get your phone?
Sissy's done too.
I can make a cooking video.
That looks like a Christmas cookie. You know how they put the little things on for decorate Christmas cookies?
Guys, I can make cookies. So, let me get a cookie cutter. Okay, I got a cookie cutter, guys. I did not do very good on my bread. So first, let's get some. I need it to be like the thickness of a cookie. There you go, that's good. That's still too thick. Okay. Now I'm gonna.
Guys, this is going to be Christmas song because guys, you remember I was little. I got
That's my little sister. Can you be quiet, Lennon?
I'm just making a pin video.
I don't know what happened to you. You
Here's
said
my
we had-
cookie.
You can cut this out. Remember we had some stuff to.
Yeah.
I don't know where it's at. Check in with that stuff.
Time to put in.
Check in with that stuff.
Can I get a few of these? Lucy did it.
Honey, did I not just say I don't want about any? I just picked that up for about the fourth
Sorry,
or
guys.
fifth time.
So, now I'm going to just put the sprinkles on my cookie. My Mimi, that's my Mimi huffing and puffing. She's kind of being too loud for my video. If my Mimi would understand that I'm trying to make a video, that would be great. Here's my sugar cookie. Oh, it's falling. Oh, dang it. I ate it. Now I'm going to just make a ball and I'm going to put a rubber band on it. Here's my ball. Time to put the rubber band on it. Okay, it's not really doing anything. Let's get some more sand for my ball. Okay, that has to be enough for the rubber band to do something. It has a stronger force than the sand. It has to do something. Guys, can you see the rubber band? Because it is literally inside the sand now. So, let me take it out. And I think that's it for you guys for the video today. So now I'm just gonna play with the sand for a little bit and show you how satisfying it is. Okay, see you all next time. Please subscribe and like the video. See you all next time. Bye. Make sure you remember, Fidget Frenzy is a frenzy full of fidgets, sand, slime, and everything like that. So make sure to come back when I post a new video. Make sure to visit my channel every day, making sure that when I post a video, you see it. If you like my channel, of course. So bye, guys. Bye.